the inevitable outcome, the impact of Pakistan-based terrorism, not just for our immediate geography, but for the whole world. I want to take this opportunity to bring to your notice that most of the terrorist attacks that have taken place over the last few decades, that has emanated from Pakistan, has not restricted itself to its immediate geography, but has footprints all over the world. The 1999 hijacking of the Kandahar airplane was orchestrated by Pakistani agents. You are aware, Excellency, that Osama bin Laden was found in Pakistan's Abbottabad, where he found a safe haven. The 2005 London tube bombings, of the 5 bombers, the investigations led to 3 of them being trained in Pakistan. The May 2010 New York Times Square bombing attempt, out of the 4 people who were apprehended, 2 of them were trained in Pakistan. November 2019, London, where 5 people were stabbed in central London, 2 of them were fatally, 2 of them succumbed to their injuries. A 28-year-old British national was of Pakistani descent and again was trained in Pakistan. January 2020, Paris attacks, an attempt to murder 2 people with a clever meat. This was again traced back to Pakistan. 2022, Excellency, there was an attacker with an armed pistol who took hostages in a synagogue in United States and Texas. The attacker, Malik Faisal, was again a Pakistani descendant. This is not an exhaustive list. The list goes on, Excellency. Iran, Sri Lanka, Paris. The point that I am trying to make here, Excellency, that our delegation through our leader is trying to make here, is that today it's an extremely interconnected world. And one nation's inaction against terrorism cannot be, or rather will be, a threat for all nations around the world.